Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Grow Plant and Conserve Nature. I hope you all doing great. Today I'm going to give you some updates of my garden. I have taken this video last year. Have a look guys, how beautifully flowering my white and yellow chrysanthemum is. This white variety is some kind of local variety, and these yellow and purple varieties are hybrid varieties. This is Mahara Magic Red Bougainvillea. If you want to add some kind of flower which bloom whole the year, you can add geranium. I have some kind of varieties: white, pink, dark pink and red, multipetal varieties of geranium. I have 5 kinds of roses: peach color, white, red, pink and orange kind of roses plant. Actually, I didn't have any idea to upload any gardening video, but suddenly I thought to upload my gardening video, so I had missed some rare video of my roses. This lotus plant is also from my last year videos. Last year I purchased it from Flipkart. It was grow by sheet. A packet of 20 seeds. Some seeds found rotten in the duration of germination. I took great care of this lotus plant. For growing from seeds, you have to start from January. First of all, a perfect seed means healthy seed you need to take. Second thing, you have to scratch the seed to a hard surface or with a sandpaper until you see a brown or white surface inside. Then soak the seed in a glass or a bowl. After 10 to 15 days, it will start germination and you will see leaves on it. In this process, the water which you have been soaking the seed for germination should change every day. Otherwise, the water get dirt and half seed rotten. After 15 to 20 days, the seed will be ready for plant or grow. This dahlia plant I grow on a 10-inch pot. This plant are heavy feeder and I could not take good care of them that time. As a reason, my dahlia plant did not bloom any flower for long, and shifted them from pot to ground. Now blooming a lot of flower. This is the current condition of my flowers. I have some other plants like begonia, mixed gravex, begonia, sadabahar, vinca, oyster, spider plant, pink rent lily, like this. I have other plants like bougainvillea, different varieties and colors like Easter parrot, purple, James Wax, Helen Johnson, multiple petal, Mahara, magic red, scarlet red, high delight, bougainvillea, chili pink, etc. Guys, I will give update when they are bloom. Have a look on this sadabahar plant, Binka. I brought it from my sister's home before 2-3 months. There are other plants like madhukamani, bakul and neem trees. I just make them on a medium height. These plants not for bonsai. My mom's always told me that I am crazy on plants and flowers. Yes, this is right. I'm crazy on that. I have extra care about this plant and flower. All the time I have to look after my plants. I have 2 plants of madhukamini, but not yet flowering. Still healthy and bushy it is. Look at this bougainvillea plant. Now it's rainy season, so its branches are so long and it's no flower at all. Have a look on my lotus flower. It's blooming time, it's little earlier than last year. This is pink color dahlia. This also having a lot of flower. Friends, keep watching my channel. I'm too tired